Hello students. Now today we are starting with chapter number 4, new chapter, time series. And this chapter is also a easiest chapter. Now, why it is easy? Because you have knowledge about chapter number 2 as well as chapter number 3, and if you know chapter number 3 very well, then this chapter is same as chapter number 3 and very easy to calculate. And in this chapter also, we can write paper style. How many marks, sir? Simple, sir. 12 marks questions can be asked in from this chapter. Again, MCQ. Very short question. Short question. 1 mark, 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 marks, and 5 marks. Total 12 marker chapter. And sir, which are the questions? That is also fixed. 4, 14, 24, 34, 46. This number question will be asked from this chapter in your board final examination. And 46 number is the last question of your question paper. So 5 marker question, last question 46 will be asked from this chapter number 4. Now going ahead, not wasting time. First of all, what we are finding here? Sir, time series. Time means maybe month, maybe year, maybe any other way. Time is given by season. Different seasons are there. It is also time. Different months are there. It is time. Different years are there. It is time. So time can be given in any way. And by time, its information also given. Related information related to particular time is given. It means time series. Here one example is taken. Year given, so it is a time 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. This is the series of years. Now against it, production information given. In 2000, 20 tons production. 2001, 25 tons production. 2002, 27, 29, 35. So time information given with years. Then years or any time, then it is called time series. Series of information related to particular time. Now, here we need to find trend on the basis of given data. So how we can find trend? 3 ways. First, graphical method. Second, least square method. Third, moving average method. These 3 methods are in your syllabus in time series chapter. Now I know one thing. Graphical method. Graphical method is the easiest method. Very easiest method. That you have learned in chapter number 2 also. As well as in chapter number 3 also you can use. But that is not done in chapter number 3. So in chapter number 2, we have done graph. On that graph basis, we can find trend by plotting points related to particular data. So sir, here data is given years. Second is given production. Suppose we are considering year is time t. So give value 1, first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year. So time is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, on the basis of time, production informations are given. Now we are doing production. We are plotting this production information on particular graph. So preparing one graph here. See and try to understand. graphical method is the easiest method. Now, sir, time is independent. Independent variable is always written on x-axis. On y-axis, dependent variable is written. That all of you know. Now, writing time. Suppose starting from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever is there. Here information given, so it's a here. Production. Now, sir, 20, 35. We need to cover 20 to 35. How I can cover it? So, I can take gap of 5, 5, 2, 2, whatever you need to take. You can. Suppose I am taking a gap of 2. 1 centimeter is equal to 2 ton. That is the assumption. Any value you can assume. Now I am starting with 20. Go up to 35. So 36. Okay, no problem, sir. This is the second chapter. That's why I am not explaining in detail. This is easiest one to understand. Going ahead. Sir, first year 20. So first year 20. First year 20. Second year 25. So second year 25. Third year 27. So third year 27. Fourth year 29. Fourth year 29. Fifth year 35. So fifth year 35. Now join these points. This is my original data. And our trend is going left to right, increasing. So this is my trend line. And this is my original line. So here original line and trend. You can make any line. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. So sir, that's okay. No problem about it. So this is the way by which we can find trend by graphical method. Here trend is upward trend. Graphical method is used. We cannot get perfect value of this. Right? Now, sir. Clearing the board. Explaining you new thing. Explaining you new thing. Second method. Least square method. So, wow. Now, least square method. Which is it? Don't worry. Don't worry. You know least square method. Now see, for explaining you least square method, first of all, I am explaining you chapter number 3, regression line y on x. Sir, we know it. Yes, but even I am explaining you. Y cap is equal to a plus b x. I think all of you have a knowledge about this. Here, y depend on x is there. Same situation for least square method also in this chapter. Here also we need to find y cap. Y cap is equal to a plus b. But here y is depend on t. So y depend on t is there. Only changes is what? Instead of x, we are writing t in chapter number 4, method least square method. Other things remain same. There is no change. There is no change. Only change is what? Instead of x, we are writing here t. Going ahead. What is a here, sir? How we can find value of a? So a is equal to y bar minus b x bar. Y bar minus b x bar. Sir, but here what? Instead of x, what we can write? T. So here instead of x bar, what we are writing? Tell me. Yes, definitely t bar. So here, how can find value of a? Y bar minus b t bar. That's simple. Instead of x, write down t. So what about b? What is the value of b here? Here b is y depend on x. Here b, y depend on x. Write down value. N sigma xy sigma x sigma y divide by n sigma x square sigma x whole square. Sir, this is the value of b. Same situation, sir. This same is written here for b. dy t, sir. Here y depend on t, so we have to write y on t. No problem. Now, same formula is here, but instead of x, we are writing t. So n sigma dy minus sigma t sigma y divide by n sigma t square minus sigma t whole square. This is the formula which can be used for b by t. So here remaining formulas are also there. Here remaining formulas are also there. What we need to do? So that formulas we are not using. That formulas we are not using in this chapter. Here for B only one formula is here. We can use other formulas, but here no need to use it because only that is given. So y cap a plus bt. A is equal to y bar minus Vt bar. B is equal to n sigma Ty minus sigma T sigma y upon n sigma T square minus sigma T whole square. That's it. Now, I don't need to explain anything to all of you. Sir, why? Because I know. After this formula, you can solve each and every sum from your textbook. Because graphical method is very easy. Exercise 4.1 100% clear to all of you. Now this method is for exercise 4.2. So exercise 4.2 also you can do yourself. Now for that I am taking one example so that this method is clear to all of you. So taking one example given here, illustration number 3. Illustration number 3. Now what is in illustration number 3? Sir, in illustration number 3, number of years given 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Against it, profit is given. That profit is called Y. Now that profit is given in lakhs. 31, 35, 39. 31, 35, 39, 41, 44. So profits are given. Now what is the heading? The profit earned in lakh by a company making computers is as follows. Find the linear equation for the trend from this data by least square method and estimate the profit for the year 2017. Up to 2015 information given. We need to find what should be the profit in 2017. That we need to find. That is not given. So first of all, sir, for 11 we are giving time 1, 12, 2, 13, 3, 14, 4, 15, 12. So T is given. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 compulsorily we have to write for different years, different month, different time, whatever is given. Going ahead. Now sir, to find B, what we need? Sir, first of all we need Ty, multiplication of T with Y. Multiplication of T with Y. So multiply Y into T. 31 into 1. 35 into 2. 39 into 3. Now I cannot do 39 into 3. But don't worry. Make 40 into 3. 120. Deduct 3 from it. So 117. So you will get the perfect answer. 41 into 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are 60. 160. 44 into 5. So first make 40 into 5. 200. Then 5 into 4. 20. 220. And if you are making total of this, is called sigma Ty. Is called sigma Ty. So make total of this. 31, 70, 170, 164, 220. Answer is 602. Now this is my value of sigma Ty. Going ahead. What we need? Sigma T, sigma Y. So total of t. Total of this 15 sigma t. Sigma y, total of this y. So if you are making total of y, your answer will be 190. A simple one, no problem about it. Going ahead, sigma t, sigma y, okay. Sigma t square, so sigma t square, first of all I need t square. Then can find sigma t square, 1 square, 1, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, 4 square, 16, 5 square, 25. 5 square, 25. So make total of this. Total of sigma t square, 55. That's it. So in this way, sigma t square, sigma ty, we can find b. So sir, now to find b, that becomes easy. So first of all, we are finding b, then we are finding a, then we are finding y cap. Simplest one, sir. So n. So n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 years are given. Sigma ty, 602. Sigma t, sigma y. Sir, sigma t 15. Sigma y 190. Going ahead, n, sir, n 5. Sigma t square 55. Sigma t whole square, sir, sigma t 50 whole square. Simple. Now, going ahead, solving it. If we are solving, now you can solve this yourself. And you will find value of b. And b value is 3.2. Now, sir, what we need? A. So, write down A is equal to y bar minus b t bar. Sir, y bar is what? That we know. Y, sigma y 190 divided by 5. That is my y bar. So y bar is 38. B, sir, we have find here 3.2 t bar. Sir, total of t, sigma t upon n. If we need to find x bar, then sigma x upon n. Y bar, then sigma y upon n. T bar, then sigma t upon n. So sigma t is 15 upon 5, 3. So t bar is equal to 3. Going ahead, 38 minus 3.2 into 3. So 3.2 into 3, 9.6. 38 minus 9.6, 28.4. A, 28.4. B, 3.2. And making equation y cap. Y cap is equal to A plus B, sir, T. Now what is A? 28.4. This is the value of A. Plus B, 3.2. T, I don't know. So this is my trend line. And this trend line by using least square method. Now what is change, sir? Same method as chapter number 3, regression line. Now important thing. Instead of t, what we have to write here? Sir, t 2015, t is 5. For 2016, t is 7. For 17, t is 8. For 2017, I need to find value. So instead of t, write 7. 28.4 plus 3.2 into 7. 28.4 plus 3.2 into 7. So 3.2 into 7. you will get 22.4. And make total of this, you will get 50.8. Now it is the value of y cap, estimated value of y. Y means profit. So estimated profit in 2017. So estimated profit in 2017 is rupees 50.8. This is the question. Will be asked 100% in your examination. 100%. So don't worry. Be happy. Chapter number 3 and 4 both are same. Now you can do two exercise full. Exercise 4.1 and exercise 4.2. Graphical method, least square method. Clear. 100% completed. Bye bye. Meet you in next lecture with last method.